Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to add a slider to your WordPress website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you have not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page where in the upper right corner you can get started with logging into your WordPress account. So what you want to do is to go ahead and create a new account if you do not already have one, and go ahead and log in. And after logging in and opening up your website, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, where the left side screen you can find all the sections you can edit for managing your website, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So guys, let's go ahead and take a look at what we can get started using for our slider. What we're looking for guys is right here, the left side screen. You want to find the plugins section. Go ahead and open up plugins. After successfully opening up plugins, it's going to open up this plugins marketplace where you can take a look at all the market plugins that you can use for your website. So what we can now get started with guys is using the search bar right here at the top of the screen, and we want to search for slider. So guys, go ahead and search for slider. After searching for slider, this is going to go ahead and open up all the plugins we can use for our slider that we want to need to add to our website. Basically guys, you have multiple plugins you can use. You have smart slider free, you have the slider, this option right here, slider gallery and carousel, and so you can choose whichever one you prefer to add to your website. So you can open it up, and after opening it up, an install option is going to appear right here. Currently I'm on a free plan, so I cannot install it. You need a premium plan, and after having a premium plan, just click the install button right here, and after installing it and adding it to your website, you will be able to access it and add the slider however you want. And that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.